Hey there, everybody. This is Mary Beth Angelelli here with the Millionaire Mailer. It's been a little while since I actually did a Millionaire Mailer video, but I want to let everybody know that the Millionaire Mailer is going strong. It's February of 2019, and yes, I am still doing the Millionaire Mailer, and it's going great. Okay, so I want to wish everybody a happy Success Saturday. Today is the 9th of February, and just received a wonderful priority mail envelope in the mailbox. Okay, and I was actually expecting this one, so I just want to show you, a little bit of continued payment proof that this program indeed is still working, still going strong. And I've been with the Millionaire Mailer now since the summer of 2015. So for me, it's coming up on 4 years, okay? And it's just been a great, great opportunity, okay? We have something inside of the Millionaire Mailer for everybody. It's a residual-based flyer program, and it's really simple. Okay, so this came in the mail. I don't know if you can see this today, addressed to me right there, and I am going to actually open this one up for everybody right here on this video. Okay, so just let me show you here. We're going to just open this up, all right here. Okay, and let's see what we have inside. Okay, we have a Millionaire Mailer 4. Okay, this is a Millionaire Mailer 4 flyer. All right, and this is the $250 flyer level. Okay, and as you can see, here's the 4 individuals on the flyer, and there is the individual's name at the bottom with all their information. And here is proof of payment. Okay, let me see if I can try to zoom in here for you, covering all this up. Okay, there you can see, folks, $250 money order made payable to me. And there's my information. And this is from, let me open this up here. Miss Clay Hurdy. So would like to welcome Miss Clay Hurdy from South Carolina to the Millionaire Mailer team. So thank you very much, and welcome aboard. So as you can see, folks, this is very real and it works. We have 6 different levels inside of the Millionaire Mailer, level 1 through level 6, and this particular individual joined at the Millionaire Mailer 4 and sent myself a money order once again for 200 and let me try to get in here. Okay, for $250. So thank you very much. I just invite you to come to my website. It's really simple. I mean, this website has been working really, really well. It has served me extremely well. It really has. Profitwithmarybeth.com. And I'll pop both of my links like I always do for all of my videos. That way you can click and you can go here yourself and spend some time here carefully reviewing everything from the top all the way down to the bottom. Just make sure that you read everything carefully, you understand everything, and if you have any questions, I always encourage you to either text or call me. Call me is probably the best because that way we can speak and I can answer your questions, personally for you, okay? So profitwithmarybeth.com/millionaire-mailer, okay? And that'll take you directly to this page here, where it will explain to you exactly what will you do with all your free time with the Millionaire Mailer and what's possible and how you can go on to have a great business and start to live your life stress-free and finally put an end to your money problems. Because this program, it works on all levels. Obviously, the higher the level you come in, the greater your income potential is going to be, okay? And of course, you will get all the lower levels included as well, all right? And then you can put yourself in a great position to be going out to your mailbox, just like I've been doing now since 2015, and opening it up to these wonderful, wonderful mailbox money surprises. And you can do that 6 days a week. And this is the best time of year. It is absolutely the best time of year. It's early in the year and it's tax season. So lots of folks, are getting their tax refunds back, and many of which are investing wisely and putting their refunds to work for them in the best way possible so that they can increase their potential, with their potential earnings with their tax refunds and put that money putting to work for them, for the rest of this year and beyond. And I think that's an excellent choice. It sure is, because as we all know, the economy out there, nothing is guaranteed in life. A lot of jobs, there's no real security, so you almost have to open yourself up to the possibilities of creating your own future and your own economy. And the best way to do that is to invest in yourself and in a home-based business such as the Millionaire Mailer. So what I encourage you to do is watch this video right here, okay? It just shows more continued proof that this is real, it works. You'll see myself and you'll see some of my amazing, amazing team members in this video, in this proof video. So definitely start here at the top, watch this video, and then continue on downward, okay? And these are the levels right here. We've got the 25 all the way up to the 1,000, all right? 6 optional flyer programs. And obviously, they all work. People always ask me, and I always, tell people, well, just, get in, get started, and start, get in where you fit in, because you can always upgrade. That's always an option too, all right? But like this individual, made a really good choice. $250 is a great, great place to start and a great level, okay? So just want to read all of this information here, and you can see more continued payment proof, folks. This is all where I can't make any of this up, all right? These all are money orders that I have received that have my specific name and information on them. So you can go in and you can certainly, enlarge these, and you can, take a closer look if you would like to, of course, all right? There's 6 different additional payment proofs here. And then here's the flyers. They're all uploaded right on my website. For example, here's a $250 level, all right? So like this individual, I instructed her to click on the flyer, and it pulled up, and then what you do is you just print off 4 copies, send your payments, money order, right here, or cashier's check or cash, whatever your preference is, to the 4 individuals listed. But what you'll do is you'll fill out the bottom with your name, address, city, state, zip, date, and phone number, okay? So you just keep it really simple. Of course, you want to read the flyer, though, from top left to bottom right. And I always tell people, be certain that you pay particular attention to that this is how it works section and the how to get started section, because that's very important. You just want to make sure that you fully understand everything here, okay? And then pay particular attention to this fine print at the bottom. Just read everything in full. It's in its entirety, all right? Very simple, though. Very, very simple. Let's go back here. Okay, so we're back at my site, and I highly encourage everybody to seriously get a funnel like this, especially if you're serious about this program, because this has brought me much, much continued success over the years. And again, it has served me very, very well. It just, makes doing business simple. It's very simplified, largely automated. When somebody wants information, I just share my website. They go here and they can review everything. They can see proof. They can see that this is real, and all the flyers are here, and they can just click whatever level is the best for them. The flyer pulls up. You can read it carefully and then get started. Okay, so it's really super simple. Here's why you should be excited. Here's what to do next. There's conference calls every single Tuesday. Here's the information. Here's the replay that you can tune into. There's a picture of me, and there's my contact information. You can also connect with me on Facebook. I work this program both online and offline. I have since day one, and I will continue to do so. And it's just, a wonderful feeling when you have a program like this, a solid, well-established direct flyer, mail order flyer program has been going strong now about 8 years, and still going strong. As you can see, no better time than to get started than tax season. And we've got practically 11 months, almost 11 months remaining in 2019. The year is young, okay? So this is the time to definitely take a leap of faith. step up, step out, and just get started. Contact me right here, folks. You can, like I say, text or call 330-787-1795. I'll be more than happy to speak to you. We can certainly talk. Any questions, jot them down. Let me help you. Let me answer them, and let me help you to get started, okay? This is how you can send me a friend request, message me on Facebook as well. I'm online all the time. You know, I do this full time. It's been a great opportunity and truly one of the best business decisions that I made back in 2015. So fast forward to 2019, we are still going strong, and there has never been a better time than to get started in mail order, okay? It never ever gets old going to your mailbox, going to my mailbox, going to the mailbox 6 days a week and pulling out these wonderful mailbox money surprises. And this can become a reality for you too. All right, so thank you so much. Go to profitwithmarybeth.com. That's my website. And then you can go here right to the sales and flyer page and review everything for yourself firsthand. Profitwithmarybeth.com/millionaire-mailer. So thank you so much for tuning in to another one of my videos. Be sure and like this video. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. That way you can be brought up to date and up to speed as I continue to share and update more information on the Millionaire Mailer as the year progresses. Okay, so go ahead and subscribe. Thank you so much. Have yourself a wonderful rest of the weekend. Enjoy the rest of the month, and I'll see you soon on another Millionaire Mailer video. Bye for now.